restricting. You feel like you're in a straitjacket, but you know, festival fashion. Mwah, mwah. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're a new viewer and you don't know. I'm Remy Madison. I want you to pause this video right freaking now, go down and subscribe to my channel because it's a dope channel and I want you to be part of the Tiger Ambush. Give this video a thumbs up while you're there and copy the link to this video and share it to your group chat. Yeah, I'm wearing glasses. Yeah, these are my new glasses.
Relatable, girly things.
Basically, we have a lot of time on our hands right now because everyone's supposed to be quarantining inside their house and I'm pretty much bored. So I did this actually on TikTok. Today, I'm going to take you through, if you're interested, a space bun rave hair tutorial because you know what? We're down but not out.
And festival season, I am manifesting. I believe that it's gonna happen. I know that's gonna happen because I've been waiting for it all year. And festival season is here. And I'm not just letting it go because there's a virus going around. It's happening. This summer is happening. I can promise you. And I know for certain that if you put the thoughts out in the universe that it's not gonna happen, even if you're joking around, even if you're like, hot girl summer's canceled, it's gonna be. So just don't even put that out there. Don't even comment on it. Don't even make a joke about it. Believe that festivals are gonna happen, believe that the summer is gonna happen, and it will happen if you just keep manifesting, envisioning yourself living it up this summer. I guarantee that you will, so manifest with me.
Anyway, thank you for listening to my pre-video babble. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna start by having 6 hair ties, preferably 2 of them or even 4 of them be smaller than the rest. So I'm picking colors that are similar to my hair color because I don't really want the hair tie to show, but let's say you're going for a color coordinated outfit, you're doing some orange, maybe some purple, you might wanna have different color hair ties just to match in with that, stand out a bit. You can also incorporate different hair pieces into your space bun look, but for now I'm just sticking to black hair ties to blend in with my hair. So you're going to start by splitting your hair into 2 sections. So you're just going to split it down the middle directly in half, and then you're going to tie both sections up into a high pony. So I'm just going to do that really quick. Okay, so there's a couple different ways you can tie your hair up into 2 ponytails. I should mention is you can either choose to leave your bangs out or little strands of hair, which I've opted into doing this time around. Usually I'll tuck it back just because I don't like hair in my face, but I've opted to leave my bang strands out. So you're gonna tie your hair up into 2 high ponies. Honestly, these 2 ponytails are so cute right now. I'm just tempted to leave it at that and be like, this is a good look. There you go, ponytail tutorial, but I promised a space bun tutorial, so I'm gonna continue. So the second step is going to be taking 2 elastics. Now in this case, I would take a bit thinner, smaller elastics just because you don't want these to be seen once you finish your space bun look. So I'm taking 2, again in black to match my hair color. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take each ponytail and braid it. You can either do a normal braid, a French braid, whatever braid you prefer. Again, I like to keep it nice and simple and just do a regular 3-part braid. Now, if you don't know how to do any braids, where were you all of elementary and middle school? But basically, I can show you how to do a braid. So you're gonna divide your ponytail into 3 different parts. You're going to take 1 part, wrap it over top of the middle part, pull it through, grab the middle part, then you're going to take the other side, wrap it over the new middle part, pull it through, and you just keep repeating that, twirling around. So while doing this braiding, again, you can either make the braid really loose like this if you're going for more of a loose space bun look, or you can make it really secure and tight if you want your space bun nice, tight, and compact. So you're going to want to braid it right until the very end so that you have the least amount of hair sticking out. Then you're just going to secure it with one of the hair ties that you have. Okay, secure. Now I'm going to do the next one. Again, dividing it into 3 parts, braiding either as tight or as loose as you want. Okay, so I finished both my braids, secured it with the mini ponytail, and again, I think this look is also really cute. This is another rave look, and I honestly am tempted to leave it just like this, but I promised you a space bun. So the next step is to take your final 2 hair ties. These can be thicker, thinner, colorful, whatever you want, and you're just gonna wrap your braids around itself to create a bun. Then you're just going to secure it. So I'm just going to take one of my braids. If I wanted it to be a bit of a looser bun look, I can pull apart the braid a bit just to give it a looser vibe. So I'll do that with this braid. Then I'm just gonna take it, wrap it around the ponytail, making sure I'm trying to cover the elastic. So I don't want the elastic at the front. So you see how you can't see the elastic so much? So the elastic that you've tied the braid with, you want to tuck it under so that you can't see. Obviously, this is a loose strand, but you can fix it how you like, and then you'll just secure it. Okay, so I've tucked the hair all around, and then I secured it with my final elastic for this side. So this is a bit of a looser bun look. I did tie it pretty tight though, so I'll try and make this one a bit looser. But yeah, so this is what it's gonna look like on one side. Notice how there's not really any stray hairs. Again, you can take like a petroleum jelly or a gel if you wanted to slick everything back. Maybe if you have a lot of baby hairs. I chose to keep my bangs out. So that's what one side's gonna look like. Now I'm just gonna do the other side. Okay, so I secured the other bun, and this is what it's gonna look like. So there you go, there you have it. This is your finished space bun look. Notice I did them pretty even. I could have obviously tied it better. You can spend a bit of time reworking the braid so that it turns into the shape that you want when you're trying to make a bun, but basically that's gonna be your finished look. So you can always incorporate different things into your space bun. So what I've done in the past is I've taken like a headband, if I have a headband, and obviously headbands, when you're headbanging or shuffling, they fall off. So if you actually tuck it under your hair and put the headband through, you can secure it. So I've seen people do different color pieces when they braid the top part here, different things like that. That's just a fun way to spice up your space bun. But basically, this has been my simple, easy to do festival space bun or everyday look tutorial. That is all for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, but I do want to say one last thing. Of course, I have to add on a little babble before I go. So basically, because of this whole corona thing, whatever that we're inside, I'm going to definitely be doing one video a week minimum, and if I don't do it, roast me in the comments below, because that's just pathetic if I cannot do one video a week. But I will be trying to do that, especially school's gonna be over, we don't have jobs right now, so like, really nothing can limit me. Like, really, I have no excuses at this point. I'm gonna be trying to do 2 shuffle tutorials a month, 1 fashion video, and 1 fitness video, because I know some of you out there are trying to get a butt, look cute, and shuffle at the same time, like we all are. Girl. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, boys and girls, ladies and gents, and I'll see you in my next one. If you haven't already, what the fuck? I literally told you to pause the video so you could subscribe, and if you haven't done it, you're not listening to me, and I'm always right. So please listen to me and go like that button. Well, go click that, go sub, you know, do your thing, do whatever I said.